everyone, this is Vijay. Today we are excited to present our biology model on Fluid Mosaic Model of plasma membrane. This model was proposed by H.A. Singer and G.R. Nicholson in 1972. This model explains how cell membrane is arranged and how it functions. So let's take a closer look at the model.
The plasma membrane is mainly made up of phospholipids, proteins, carbohydrates and cholesterol. These phospholipids are arranged in two layers called phospholipid bilayer. Each phospholipid has a water-loving hydrophilic head and a water-fearing hydrophobic tail. This arrangement makes the cell stronger and flexible.
Proteins are amended with phospholipid bilayers. Some proteins act like gates or channels, allowing some useful substances like water, oxygen and nutrients to enter the cell, while helping waste materials to leave the cell. That's why cell membrane is known as semi-permeable membrane.
The cholesterol molecules helps to maintain the right amount of fluidity in the membrane. This membrane prevents becoming from too rigid or too flexible. The carbohydrate chains attached to the lipids and proteins act like name tags. This helps them to recognize and communicate with each other.
This model is known as Fluid Mosaic Model because it is fluid as the many of the proteins and phospholipids can move sideways within the membrane. It is mosaic because different molecules are like proteins and lipids are arranged together like a beautiful mosaic artwork.
Do you know why this plasma membrane is important? Because it protects the cell, it gives the shape to the cell, it helps them communicate with each other and what enters and what leaves in the cell. So, for a reason, this is also known as a selectively permeable membrane.
Here are some interesting facts. If all the plasma membrane of our body are spread out so they could cover an area much larger than a football field. And our plasma membrane is just 7 to 10 nanometers thick. So, it is very too thin to be seen in a normal microscope.
Our model demonstrates that the plasma membrane is dynamic, flexible and essential for the life. Thank you for watching our presentation.